Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can comment we're going to show you how you can comment on items inside your lists on Microsoft Lists in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, if you have, for example, created a couple of lists and you have given access to your contacts and co-editors to that list, and these have left comments, you can comment also or reply to these comments, or vice versa, leave comments for the given list for other users who have been given access to it. So this is how you can do it. Navigate to Microsoft Lists, select the given list here, left click into it, and then you will see these items of the given list. So click into the given item, into its title of course, and then you will see this option or this menu here. So here to the right you will see the given comments. Add a comment, test comment, for example 1, 2, 3, excuse the typo here, press enter, and that is going to leave the comment. Now other users of course will be given the opportunity to reply by posting their own comments here, or you can also delete the given comment, your own one of course, by clicking into this button. That's how you do it, guys. You can access the comment section here or hide it, or click into the drop down menu and choose between all activity and comments. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.